Hello! Today we are going to be making a glitter craft using our clear casting epoxy. So we're going to need our epoxy, we're going to need our desired glitter, our silicone mold of choice, as well as the necessary stirring tools that we need to combine all of these together. So we're going to take our clear casting epoxy, both the hardener and the resin, and we're going to pour equal parts of those into our cups. Once we have those poured out equally, we are going to stir those together, and we just want to make sure that they are very well mixed. As you can see here, we are continuing to mix for a long period of time just to make sure that everything is well blended together, and you will be able to see that it has become clear. But we are going to pour these into our individual cups so that we can put our glitter in them. For this project, we are going to be using our Sunset glitter bundle. We're going to pour all of those in there, and we are going to mix our glitter into our equal amount of resin and hardener. And now that we have all of those mixed, we are going to now pour it into our silicone mold. For this project, we want it to be in a sunset formation, and so we are going to go from our lightest to the darkest. We want to make sure that our mold will be completely filled, and so we add multiple layers in until we have used all of our resin. Here we're swirling them together just to give it a little bit more of an effect. And we're going to be adding a little bit of texture at the bottom just for fun. And then we're going to let that sit for 24 hours. We do not want to touch it, and it needs to be in a cool and ventilated area. You may use heat on it in order to be able to get the bubbles out. We're just going to let that sit, and then it'll be time for our demolding. We're just going to take that out of the mold, and there it goes. There it is, it's finished. Thank you for watching at my craft source.